These are the flowers I've made the last 2 nights. This one's made from Sizzix die cut. It has a little sparkle added to it with the glitter paint and a rhinestone centre. These are also the little lilac Sizzix die cuts. I've made them actually into little tiny mini roses. This is what we're going to do today. Simple daisy or rose styled flower made from paper shaper and simple craft or coloured acid free printing paper. Now these ones I made last night. And this is another one from the Sizzix die, large flowers. And this is the other punch. So today I'm going to show you how to make 2 flowers. Very simple, rounded petal and pointy petal. The first flower I'm going to demonstrate is making the simple rounded petal punch flower, which is the retro flower. Okay, and we will make the leaves with our other punch, which is the daisy. Right, first thing to do is to ink the edges. Now I'd probably use pink, but I haven't got pink here, so I'll just use some brown, because brown and pink go together really nice. Just do the edges. Any ink pad, so you can get your leaves ready ahead. Just doing some simple inking to give them a little bit of interest. So that is your leaf. You see that? Base. And now we'll start working on the flowers. With the flowers it's the same. Crease. And then we'll crease them all, and then we'll bend the tip. Now you could just crease them and get that look. We will do that in the centre probably, but maybe not. Different flowers will look different from the same petals. So basically just quickly get these ready and we'll see how this one looks. Again, soften up the centre with the soft pointy pen lid and stylus. Just got another one on my finger. Okay, I think we'll do one more. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is, I like to get the centre ones. These crystals here, pretty cheap, a couple of dollars for 100, and that just finishes off the centre really quickly. Now, I haven't, you can play around with this a lot more, but you really don't need to. It looks fine. Just grab a little bit of cheap glitter paint. These for cards that don't really need to be acid free. If it needs to be acid free, I believe Kinder Glitz works quite well. I forgot some of that somewhere, but this is just from the cheap store. Got it for the kids. Decided to use it and I really like it. It's crystal and it just gives you little flowers, a little bit of that wow effect. So, and then so that's pink flower. So taking your toothpick, work your way around, curling your petals, and you mix them up a bit so that you can get a little bit of body to the flower. Now if you make these with cardstock, they're really hard to curl, I found, but they do sit up quite nicely. I just did the larger flowers in the cardstock, and I will try these in the cardstock so that we can see the difference. But these work really well, and I've got heaps of coloured paper and heaps of people I send things to, so I like to have something pretty there. These would look really nice on the front of a post-it note. Okay, so we're getting some really good look to these petals. And basically toothpicks are cheap as anything. The punches are your biggest outlay, but if you've already got them, go for it. Otherwise, invest in a couple of punches, they're well worth it. Okay, getting to the point that I'm pretty happy with that, because this isn't a really curled up flower. Just checking, they've all got a slight curl, they're very good. Okay, this one here. Okay, and you can see that even though this ink was royal blue, it's actually really brought out the purple. So don't fuss too much, just whatever you got. I'm sure I've got purple ink pads somewhere. I'm in the middle of organising all my stuff, so as soon as I find it I'll put it in with the other ones. Okay, and then the centre I'm going to put a dark purple centre with my bling, some crystals and rhinestones. Want to stick to me. Okay, that's it. Pop your glitter on and it's done. Just touch it up wherever you want the